Hi there, video 3 with my documentation of the symptoms and journey of having my tongue tie released. As I was saying at the end of the last video, and actually I thought of a few more symptoms I have had, so I want to share those first. Cheek biting, especially the left side, constantly having a pain there because of the way that my tongue is being pulled in my mouth and down. I have a lot of pain in my left cheek. Also, always finding my left shoulder that things fall off of it, clothing doesn't stay on it because of the way that my body's being pulled by this tongue tie. So anyways, since I started myofunctional therapy, not even a week ago, with the main thing, some exercises I'm doing, but also the effort to have my tongue stay in the proper place in my mouth. It changes the way I speak. There's a sticker right behind my teeth where the tip of my tongue is supposed to be in resting oral rest posture, it's called. My mouth is supposed to be closed, my teeth are supposed to be not touching, and my tongue is supposed to be on the roof of my mouth. Well, my tongue tends to press forward, thrust forward into my teeth, and I tend to breathe through my mouth. So in the last week, since I have been using the sticker and doing these exercises, I have noticed a few really cool things. In fact, within 6 hours of having this sticker placed in my mouth that teaches my tongue how to swallow properly, changes the way I swallow, changes the way I eat, I noticed that the pain in the left side of my neck disappeared. The pain in my shoulders, gone. The pain in my hip decreased. The second day, I suddenly noticed I have a very difficult time breathing through this nostril. First time in my life I can get a full breath. I have a history of issues with getting a full breath, having shortness of breath. I have been tested for asthma, cleared of that. And since beginning this therapy, I'm able to breathe fully in and out. Not perfectly, not always, but able to get a full, complete, fulfilling breath. And can feel air in this side of my nose, which very, very long time since I have had that experience. I'm finding that my clothes are not falling off of my shoulder, which means that the pulling of my tongue, the way my tongue is pulling my jaw and my neck muscles out, is lessened because I'm not finding that my clothes are falling off this left shoulder. This sweater, this actual shirt that I'm wearing right now, usually is always hanging like this. Didn't even realize that there is because of this tilt to my body, but in the last week I've noticed it just stays put. The cheek biting has decreased by my tongue being in the proper place. I'm falling asleep better at night already with my tongue being in the roof of my mouth, breathing through my nose, not biting my cheek, not feeling in pain all the time. I have been falling asleep and feeling slightly more rested in the morning. And this is all within a week of starting myofunctional therapy. So I'm going to keep you posted as I go on this journey with videos to share how it evolves as I go through the process of 4 weeks of myofunctional therapy and then scheduling for my frenectomy, what type of frenectomy I choose, and then the journey of that actual experience. And I hope that this is helpful for some people who maybe have symptoms that they're not sure about. You know, I have some family members that I would like them to be looked into for proper tongue function as well, because other things like tinnitus, like I say, breathing difficulties, sleep apnea, snoring, anxiety, pelvic health, things that you would never think could be related to the function of your tongue. Guess what? Your tongue is an amazing organ and it can affect things throughout your entire body. The facial system, not well understood by medical doctors, the soft tissues, you know, seeking osteopathic, chiropractic knowledge to help in supporting and understanding that. Not always successful because I've even had chiropractors that don't understand the importance of the tongue in the function and health of the body and in the healing of the body. You know, I'm really hoping that I can heal myself through this process, and I'm hoping to share that with you so that hopefully there are some of you out there who might be able to heal yourselves as well. So I'll be back as I notice more improvements, symptoms, changes, healing that I want to share with you about my journey through tongue tie and tongue tie release.